Hi guys, today we are going to do another Venn diagram. Now I taught you guys this a couple weeks ago, but we're going to do another lesson as a refresher with some new shapes and colors, okay? So I'm going to draw my Venn diagram. If you remember, a Venn diagram is a big circle, woo, and another big circle that overlaps it. That means it goes, whoa, that's kind of a funny looking circle. I think I could do that better over there. Well, you know, one more time. Come on, Mrs. Hines, you can do it. There we go, that's a little better. So we have two circles, one here and one here. Now this part in the middle is overlapped. This part is in this circle and this circle, so this means both. Okay, so over here we're going to put all the shapes that are squares today. So I'm going to write the word squares, and I'm going to draw a square to help you remember. And then over here, all the shapes that are blue. So I'm going to write the color blue over here, which means that in this middle part, we have to have shapes that are blue and squares because they have to be in both. So over here squares, blue, and if they're both blue and a square, they get to go in the special middle part. All right, guys, let's do it. All right, I'm gonna start with this shape. This is a square, isn't it, guys? It is a red square. Is it a square? Is it blue? So it has to go over here. It is a square, so I can put it here, but it can't go in there. How about this one? Is it a square? Is it blue? Oh no, you are not allowed to go in my Venn diagram, Mr. Circle. No circles allowed today. How about this shape? Now, this one is a funny shape, isn't it? Looks like, kind of like a stop sign. It's called a hexagon. Hexagon. Is it a square? Is it blue? Oh man, it's not a square. Sorry, Mr. Hexagon, you have to go over here. You're not allowed to come to the party today. All right, how about this one? Is it a square? Is it blue? Okay, so it is a square. It can go here, but it can't go in this circle, so over here you go. All right, let's try this one. Ooh, is it a square? Is it blue? Okay, it's not a square, but it is blue, so I can put it over here. It can't go here unless it's a square and blue. Okay, got another one. Tricky, tricky, tricky. I want you guys to think about this one. Is it a square? No, it's actually a rectangle. Remember, a rectangle has two longer sides and two shorter sides. So it is not a square. Is it blue? It is blue. So it cannot go with the squares, but it can go over here with the blues. Okay. Is it a square? Yes, all four sides are the same. Is it blue? Woo! We found a blue square. Guess what? It's a square and it's blue. It gets to go in the middle. That is the life of the party today. How about this guy? Is it blue? Is it a square? Wah, wah, wah. You can't come to the party. Over here you go. The triangle cannot come. Hey, I found another rectangle. I found another rectangle. Is a rectangle a square? No, because all four sides are not the same. Is it blue? Oh, Mr. Rectangle, you can't come to the party today either. Over there you go. How about this one? Let's see if this one can come to the party. Is it a square? Nope. Is it blue? Yeah, it has one attribute we need. It is not a square, but it is blue. So it can go over here. It does not get to go in the middle because it is just blue. Okay. Let's do this one. This one needs some tape. We're almost done. We've got a couple more shapes to determine. Okay. Another one. Is this one a square? Are all four sides the same? Absolutely. Is it blue? No, it's red, isn't it? So it can go with the squares, but it cannot go over with blue. So it's going to go over here. Okay, guys. Last shape. Are you ready to see it? Ooh, is it blue? Is it a square? It is. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, all the same. So this square does not have to be by himself. You are another life of the party right there in the middle. Wow, guys, look at our beautiful Venn diagram. In this first circle, and I'm going to use red, in this first circle, we have all squares, don't we? All squares. And in this circle, we have all blue. All blue. Wow, guys, I love this Venn diagram, and I hope you had fun learning about the attributes of shapes today. Bye, guys.